If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. If you would like to get to know me, your host, Shundara, better, make sure you thumbs up this video, okay? So in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making a Tide slime / Tide Pod slime, but I couldn't find Tide Pods, so by the end of this video, we're just gonna have to use Tide. I'm so sorry that I could not find Tide Pods. You know, they're banning them at the stores because y'all keep eating them. Don't eat the Tide Pods. Who is eating the Tide Pods? Really? Y'all have nothing better to do? But anyways, I know you can't use the Tide Pods, so I'm gonna just show you how to make a no glue Tide slime. This is a really easy slime to make, and it has no glue. No glue. So I really hope you enjoy this episode of Shundara Creates, and let's go make this Tide Pod slime, and let's go. So you want to start off with a 1/4 cup of Tide. We are using a 1/4 cup. You want to add a tablespoon of cornstarch, and you want to mix that in until it's combined and make sure all your lumps are out and all the clumps are out of the mixture once you've added your tablespoon of cornstarch. So now that you've done that, we're going to add a heaping 1/4 cup of cornstarch to this mixture, and you want to mix that all in until it's combined. So it's 1 tablespoon and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. So once you've mixed that in, you should get sort of like a dough that melts. So essentially it melts into like slime, but it's not really slime yet because it's still a bit sticky. So what we're going to do is add a tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil you like. I did use olive oil, you guys. So once you've added that tablespoon of oil to your mixture, you want to mix it in until it's combined, and then you want to see, now there you go, you have slime. So now we're going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch to our parchment paper. Once you add it to parchment paper, or you can use freezer paper, you want to mix that all in like so, you guys. So make sure you mix it in, and you're going to watch me mix the cornstarch in, and this is just to make it less sticky. So at the end, you're going to use a tablespoon. You could use more if you like, and then if you don't like the filling, you could use some more oil. It's just mix and play with it the way you would like. Now once it's done, you want to add a little teaspoon or a little shot of food coloring. I'm just using regular food coloring. You can use gel food coloring, and once you've mixed that in, you get this beautiful blue hue slime, you guys, that you can play with once you've mixed in that beautiful food coloring. Look how pretty this slime looks, you guys. It's still a little sticky, so you could add a little bit of oil, but I find like I like it this way to play with. And look at me just pulling it off the paper. But watch, you guys, look at how beautiful it looks. Oh yes, look at cloud slime, snow slime, bubblegum swirl slime. So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye, you guys.